Control, paddle. Alalayan nyo.
Ganda yan.
Close your eyes. Sana ka muna. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close, really close, yeah.
Pikit na pikit.
Straight. You don't have to do that. Just walk straight. Yeah. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Huwag ka nang gumalaw. Huwag niya. Lakad lang.
Straight lang. You see the difference, yeah? Inside that room, okay, it's dark. Okay? No use walking like that. So you have to be in contact always on the wall or bulkhead. Bulkhead will be protected by your smoke hood. Okay, that smoke hood can withstand until 750 degrees Celsius. So even if you are burned, your body, they can find you, you're still smiling. You are protected by your smoke hoods. Okay, open, check. Yeah, what if the door is opening that way? Yeah, or this way? If this door is opening that way, I can still stay here. Okay. Or if this door is going that way, I will protect myself again. Only the head. Okay, you always do that. Okay, you always protect your body. Yeah. What is the advantage for the teamwork? Okay, I'll show you. You should, okay? Everything, yeah? If I am the lead guy, I will do the left-hand search. Okay, this guy, 75. Okay. This guy here, on my back, okay, one hand, right hand should be on the shoulder, and another hand will be sweeping on the wall. Okay? Good? Yeah. Now, anything that I will say, yeah, for example, I found the wall, I'm turning right. Yeah, the short words. What he will say is, on the wall, turning right. Now, why do we have to do this? So you will know that we're still intact. Yeah, you can also check by saying number 1 okay. Yeah, number 2 okay, number 3 okay. Everybody should say that, okay? For example, we're 17 here. I say number 1 okay, 2 until 2 the last guy. Okay? We'll say 17 okay. Why? So you will know that you're still intact. If he did not answer, you know that something's wrong. So you have to say stop. The last guy will say stop. Okay, stay low. Stay low. Do not punish yourself because heat rises, yeah? Even if you're using the BA, if you will stop, stay low. There's no point punishing yourself. Okay, stay low. And of course, are you going to get him? For example, the turtle is unconscious right now. Are you going to get angel pads?
Angel pads.
Yeah? Are you going to rescue him? Guys, answer. Yes. For example, we do the check. Okay, number 1 okay, until 16. Said number 16 okay, stop. You said stop. Why? Number 17 did not answer. He just fell down, unconscious. Are we going to get him out?
Yes. No, we will get help.
Who says yes? Yes. Did you say yes?
Wow, okay. Kung iba natin.
The answer is no. Okay. Again, this will only give you 15 minutes maximum time. On your breathing apparatus, 35. 35. Are you sure? Okay. We're talking about normal situations. Yeah, that is 15. So 30, normal situation. What if you are inside a very hot place? There's fire. Breathing heavily. Will it reach your 30? No. No, of course. Even this one, will it reach 15? No. So, if you get another excess carrying him, what will happen? Yeah, we have a dead weight. For example, he's 100 kilos, he'll be weighing around 120, 130. Dead weight.
Increases.
Will increase your, you will be hyperventilating. Kaliwalin yung pass, let's go. Yeah. But, what you said is right. We will leave him. For example, he fell down on this because we're doing the communication. Yeah? You said stop, we're here. So you know that he just fell down when we passed around the TV. In this corner. So we will go out. The emergency response team, you sir, that's your job. Yeah, we'll be asking you, okay, do you have any casualty inside? Yes. Where is he? What is your route going out? You will tell him now that we did the left-hand route. So this guy now knows that if he will go inside, he will do the right-hand.
Yes.
And he will not go again the left-hand route. Yeah, he will go around the room. He will just say, he will just do right-hand route and they will find in the house. Okay. Good, sir?
Yes.
Okay? You always do that. Now, please, sir, come here. Okay.
Then.
You will be my team leader. Okay? I'm just the second guy. You have to tell me everything that you will find, yeah? Okay. You have to do this. Sir, practice muna. One hand on the wall. On the wall. Sige, sir, up and down. Okay? Protect yourself. Very good. With the leg now. Okay. Move forward. Again. Okay. Show you that, sir.
Patay ka kaya sa atin ngayon.
One.
Kita yung video.
Sir, if this one goes down, this one will go up. Yeah, easy. Up and down. Leg. Don't think about the leg. Just do it. Yeah. Okay. Now I want you to do it on the wall. Come in.
Ayan na. Eh, sumog.
Alanso? Okay. Guys, this is very important, okay? You are my leader, okay? You have to tell me everything that's in front of you. Everything that you will find, you have to tell me, so I will know also, okay? Okay, let's go. Yeah, come on. I found the door handle. You see? Yeah? That's an advantage if you're working in a group. The lead guy might miss this one, but me, the second guy, did not. Yeah? Why did you miss it? Yeah? You want me to die? You have. Communication is very, very important, but please make it very, very short. Especially you guys who are wearing your PA. Yeah?
Tulog.
Minero pa mo. Tulog.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Baho, baho.
Leo.
Baho.
Come on.
Yes, all.
Okay, gents. Okay. If you are firefighting, okay, outside, you always start at the base of the fire, going up. But if you are firefighting inside, where will you start? Sir, you always start up. Why? You have to cool down the gases first before going straight to the fire. Okay, you always remember that. Okay, gents, this is your hose ring. What are the advantages of hose ring? Can you tell me? Come on! Sir, advantages of hose ring.
We have
Amount
You got enough supply of
continuous
water.
supply of water, you have pressure. You can protect yourself from heat and smoke by opening into a wide
Spreading.
spray. Approach the fire, okay, and cone it down into a 35 liquid.
Kita mo yung ano, yung Etihad tower doon, no? Limang nagkakadikit na ganyan, ang ganda tingnan.
Linaw oh, kahit na ano, tumatakbo. Ha? Ilang megapixel kaya to? Hindi ko pa
Yes, subukan mo.
Ha?
Yan mo.
Yan.
Ganda yun, doon na tayo sa ano yung